It's so good to have football back here at Llanrhaeadr, here at the Theatre of Trees. It's great to have the buzz back in the village. People are coming along and asking you what's going on. So it's great for that. But there's an awful lot of hard work that's gone in behind the scenes. We've been in contact with Llangefni to help coordinate their arrival, safe arrival here to the village. We've got sanitisation points in 3 places here. We've got a strict regime in terms of questionnaires are done. We're also doing temperature tests with everybody, so it's been a big effort this morning to get the game on, but hopefully it's well worthwhile. Normally we have the 2 changing rooms, but both changing rooms have been used by the away team today, and then the home changing room is what is our meetings room, really, which we've adapted so that the players can socially distance in there, so the 15 boys are in there nice and safe, and it's good to hear the buzz coming out of there. It's good to hear music coming from the changing rooms once again. It's such a good feeling to get football back here, turning up. I literally live just across the road over there. It's a shame we can't get the 150 people in here to come and support us. We're a small village club and the football club is a big part of our community, and the people come down here and sometimes they don't see each other from week to week, from home game to home game. So I'm sure they've been missing that.
Both Mel and myself have been working closely over the last few weeks, and Mel's asked me along today, and Mel's chairman of Llanrhaeadr, but I'm secretary of Guildfield, and we're both doing the same kind of thing with protocols, and both Mel and myself have been working closely over the last few weeks. We've been talking a lot on the phone and we've been on Zooms and just getting our heads around it and helping each other out, because it's all new stuff for us. We're only volunteers for the clubs, so as you can see, everything's working well today, so well done to Llanrhaeadr.
See 2 teams out there now, kits on, running about, actually kicking a ball. I must make you a happy man.
Really happy, but at the same time relieved. It's unbelievable the amount of work that's gone into, just to getting up to this point from ourselves at the FAW, but also as well from the clubs. You look at them, you see the smiles on the ones who've done it, and I think the best comment is, do you know what? We're playing. I can't believe it, we're playing. So that brings it all together, I think.
So obviously we've got the red zone, which is over the far side, and the amber zone that we're in. Just explain exactly what a red zone and an amber zone is.
The ones in the red zone complete a daily questionnaire, have you been ill or etc. So that's completed, so they need 10 clear days of successful of that before they can attend a match. So that goes for the players, coaching staff and match or club officials as well.
Penalty shootout is always a great way to win it, isn't it? Particularly that you've been away for so long. It must be an incredible feeling.
Yeah, definitely. I haven't missed the nerves like that towards the end, but no, it's good. We're in the hat for the second round. But no, I've got to give credit to the lads as well, because they worked really hard, and we've got a few lads missing for various reasons today. So the reserve lads and some of the young lads have done really good. The guys here have done a fantastic job. It was really professional, and we had Dewi from the league come in and tell us exactly what our roles were and what we had to do. So it was straightforward. It was really good.
Have you found it safe? Do you feel safe?
Oh yeah, 100%. I don't think there is a safer place to be than being outdoors and playing football.
Yeah, it's been a long time. I think it's 9 months, since we last played competitively. With the English lockdown as well, we've only just got back into training 2 weeks ago, so we had our first friendly last week. We trained Tuesday, Thursday, numbers have been brilliant. This morning, you can't beat that match day feeling when you wake up. We've got a WhatsApp group going, everybody's on it. Whatever time to get up, crack of dawn, they're on it already, talking and looking forward to the game, which is, that's what we do it for, isn't it? We love it. As for today, Mel, Phil, chairman, the amount of work they put in, he's been on the phone to me constantly this week to get onto the players, to fill the forms out and make sure everything's done properly. Everybody was informed what was going to be the case when we got here, and it all went smooth as far as I'm concerned. It was great, and I'd like to thank Mel and Phil and everybody else involved at the club for getting the game on, basically. The lads really do appreciate it.
And there we go, that's it for this special FC Cymru. I hope you've enjoyed a little bit of normality in amongst the craziness that is at the moment. And I hope you've enjoyed seeing just how hard clubs up and down the country are working to get football back, and hopefully your football will be back in the new year. FC Cymru will be back for a Christmas special, so look out for that. It is a beauty. I have had a sneak preview. I have made it, so I have had a sneak preview and it is beautiful. That'll be around about Christmas time, and then we'll see you again in the new year. Social media details haven't changed. They're exactly the same as they've always been, and we'll see you soon.